Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
How to breed Stromboli, Ultimate Guide. Welcome, fellow aquatic enthusiasts, to a captivating journey into the intricate world of breeding Stromboli snails. If you're captivated by marine life, and curious about nurturing these exquisite creatures, you've landed in the right spot. In this comprehensive guide, we're about to delve deep into the art of breeding Stromboli snails, providing you with a meticulous step-by-step manual that covers everything essential for successfully breeding and caring for these enchanting gastropods. Let's embark on this aquatic adventure together. Section 1: Understanding Stromboli Snails. Before we set sail on this exciting breeding voyage, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the captivating world of Stromboli snails. Immerse yourself in their natural habitat, behavior patterns, and distinctive traits that make them prized inhabitants of marine aquariums worldwide. Section 2: Setting up the ideal environment. The foundation of prosperous breeding is a meticulously designed environment. We'll unveil the key elements of an optimal tank setup, covering factors like water quality, temperature range, lighting conditions, and the most suitable substrate. Creating a comfortable and stress-free habitat for your snails is vital to stimulate their breeding behavior. Section 3: Selecting healthy snails. Healthy breeding commences with selecting robust and vibrant Stromboli snails. Equip yourself with the knowledge of how to identify signs of vitality. Think smooth shells, active movement, and vibrant coloration. Ensuring the health of your parent snails is the first step toward a successful breeding project. Section 4: Introducing compatible pairs. The delicate art of pairing snails is crucial to fruitful breeding. Discover the ins and outs of compatible snail pairings and learn why observing their interactions and behavior is pivotal to cultivating a harmonious tank. Section 5: Providing adequate nutrition. An exquisite diet is at the heart of prosperous breeding endeavors. Dive into the culinary preferences of Stromboli snails and gain insight into crafting a well-rounded menu that optimally nourishes your snails and sets the stage for successful reproduction. Section 6: Encouraging breeding behavior. The captivating courtship rituals and breeding behaviors of Stromboli snails are the highlight of this journey. Explore the intricate cues and dances that signify the start of the breeding process. Watch them engage in enchanting rituals and witness the wonder of egg laying. Section 7: The breeding process. Get ready for an immersive experience as we guide you through the actual breeding process itself. From the delicate act of egg deposition to the nurturing care of hatchlings, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of the various stages involved in breeding Stromboli snails within your aquarium. Section 8: Protecting eggs and hatchlings. Ensuring the safety of eggs and newly hatched snails is paramount for successful breeding. Learn the art of safeguarding eggs from potential predators, creating the optimal conditions for hatching, and providing a secure haven for your emerging hatchlings. Section 9: Raising healthy juveniles. Nurturing juvenile Stromboli snails requires special attention. Delve into the techniques for providing proper sustenance, maintaining water parameters, and applying best practices that facilitate the healthy growth and development of your snail offspring. Section 10: Troubleshooting challenges. While breeding Stromboli snails is a rewarding endeavor, it's not without its challenges. We'll discuss common issues such as unsuccessful breeding attempts, egg fungus, and disease prevention. More importantly, we'll explore effective strategies to address these challenges head-on. Section 11: Patience and observation. Breeding Stromboli snails is a labor of love that demands patience and keen observation. We'll emphasize the significance of closely monitoring snail behavior, adapting your strategies based on their unique needs, and maintaining a calm and patient demeanor throughout the breeding process. Section 12: Celebrating success. As you witness the fruits of your labor through successful breeding and the growth of new generations, take a moment to celebrate your accomplishments. Reflect on the fulfillment that comes from nurturing life, and the profound joy of contributing to the mesmerizing world of aquatic creatures. Stromboli snails, are intriguing marine creatures that have captured the attention of aquarists and marine enthusiasts worldwide. Stromboli snails, scientifically known as Strombus spp, are members of the Strombus family. They're instantly recognizable by their cone-shaped shells, which often display captivating spiral patterns. These shells, adorned in hues ranging from soft pinks to deep browns, contribute to their enchanting beauty. Observe Stromboli snails in their natural habitats, and you'll witness their unique behavior. These snails move with agility, using a specialized foot to crawl and explore surfaces. Their distinctive trails can be seen on various substrates, leaving a mark of their presence. Stromboli snails are herbivores, relying on a diet of algae and detritus. This diet makes them valuable contributors to maintaining balanced marine ecosystems. Their grazing behavior helps control algae growth, supporting the overall health of coral reefs and other aquatic environments. Stromboli snails are inhabitants of warm tropical and subtropical waters. You'll find them in diverse coastal environments, including coral reefs and seagrass beds. Their adaptability to different coastal habitats contributes to their widespread presence. For those interested in keeping Stromboli snails in aquariums, understanding their care needs is essential. A suitable substrate, proper lighting, and a diet rich in algae and detritus are key to their well-being. Stromboli snails generally coexist peacefully with a variety of marine tank inhabitants. While they are non-aggressive, caution is advised when introducing them to tanks with predatory species. Their grazing behavior can positively impact algae levels in the tank. Stromboli snails reproduce through sexual reproduction, with separate male and female individuals. Mating involves the exchange of sperm, and females lay egg capsules that attach to substrates. These capsules nurture developing embryos, eventually leading to the emergence of juvenile snails. Stromboli snails are a testament to the beauty and diversity of marine life. Their unique appearance, behavior, and role in marine ecosystems make them subjects of intrigue for enthusiasts and researchers alike. Whether you encounter them in their natural habitats or care for them in an aquarium setting, Stromboli snails remind us of the intricate wonders of our oceans. Congratulations! You've now journeyed through the ultimate guide to breeding Stromboli snails. From comprehending their natural habitat to mastering the nuances of breeding behaviors, you're armed with a wealth of knowledge to embark on this thrilling voyage. Always remember, the world beneath the waves is a treasure trove of mysteries waiting to be unveiled. If this guide has sparked your curiosity, don't hesitate to show your support by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing for more aquatic insights, and activating the notification bell to stay informed. Until next time, dive deep, explore the wonders of the ocean, and continue nurturing the enchanting beauty within your very own aquarium. Happy breeding!
Thank you for watching. Please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos.